2025 is just around the corner. Can you believe it? But before we dive into the new year, take a moment to think about this. Did you know that 92% of people never achieve their New Year's resolutions? You started a goal to change your job, lose weight, start a side hustle, and make it your mainstream business. You had planned so many goals, but could not succeed. If 2024 didn't go as planned, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the thing, 2025 doesn't have to be a repeat. This is your chance to break the cycle, to finally create the life you've always dreamed of. And it all starts with one simple but powerful shift, raising your standards. In our world where everyone has an opinion about your career, your choices, and your life, staying focused is crucial. Whether you're in a corporate office or running a business, don't let distractions derail you. Focus on improving yourself, chasing your dreams, and building your legacy. Stop giving yourself permission to settle for less. No more, "I'll start tomorrow," or "this is too hard." Deep down, you know you're capable of more effort, more focus, and more results. Whether it's achieving greatness at work, growing your business, or creating a life that excites you every single day, the time to act is now. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could completely transform the way you approach 2025 and beyond. To get there, you've got to commit to excellence. Push yourself to go beyond completion. Aim for mastery. Failure isn't the end, it's a stepping stone. Every setback you face, be it a lost client, a failed pitch, or a rejected idea, teaches you something valuable. When you fall, get back up. When people doubt you, prove them wrong. Use their disbelief as fuel to achieve your dreams. Let your success be your loudest response. Success requires disruption. You can't keep living the same way and expect a different outcome. Whether it's upgrading your skills to stay competitive in IT or adopting digital transformation in your traditional business, be willing to disrupt the norm. Comfort zones don't breed success. Take risks, try new things, and challenge your old ways. Your life right now is a reflection of the standards you've set. Think about it. Your income, your career, your relationships, your happiness, all of it ties back to what you've decided to accept as good enough. But let me tell you something. You weren't made to settle for average. You weren't made to just get by. You were made to excel, thrive, and inspire. So let's dive in and talk about how you can unleash the greatness that's already within you. The first step, start expecting more from yourself. That voice in your head that says, "It's okay to stop here. You've done enough." Silence it. You know deep down that you're capable of more effort, more focus, more determination. Winners don't stop at good enough. Winners push for greatness. They don't just finish the race. They aim to set the record. So stop letting yourself off the hook. The work isn't done until you've given it everything you've got. Here's the truth. Life is going to knock you down. It's going to test your resolve. It's going to ask you again and again, do you really want this? And your answer needs to be a resounding yes. When was the last time you truly challenged yourself? I mean, really pushed yourself to the point where you thought, "I don't know if I can do this." That's where the magic happens. That's where growth begins. You've got to become comfortable being uncomfortable. Success doesn't live in the comfort zone. It lives in the hard, messy, beautiful moments when you're doing things you've never done before. So stop playing it safe. Stop saying, "I'll try tomorrow." Start today. It all begins in your mind. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you believe you can't, you won't. But if you believe you can, there's nothing that can stop you. Fill your mind with positivity, determination, and belief. When doubt creeps in, push it out. Replace it with this thought: I am capable, I am strong, I am unstoppable. This isn't just a mantra, it's your truth. Success starts with a mindset that says, no matter how hard it gets, I will find a way. Transformation isn't an overnight miracle. It's a journey. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Imagine your goals like planting a garden. You don't plant a seed and expect a tree the next day. You water it, you nurture it, you give it time. Every small step you take is like another drop of water. Each effort, no matter how small, is moving you closer to the life you want. But you have to be patient. Stay consistent. The results will come. Not everyone will understand your vision. People will doubt you, criticize you, maybe even laugh at you. Let them. Use their doubt as fuel. While they talk, you work. While they watch, you build. And one day, when they see your success, they'll realize their words never mattered because you were too focused on winning to hear them. To change your life, you've got to disrupt your old habits. Break free from what's comfortable. Stop saying, "This is just how I am," and start saying, "This is how I choose to be." Every great success story is about someone who dared to be different. They weren't afraid to challenge the norm, to fail, to look foolish, because they knew that the only way to grow was to step outside the box. So here's my challenge to you. What's one small step you can take today to raise your standards? just one. Maybe it's staying late to finish that project, making that difficult phone call, or hitting the gym after a long day. Whatever it is, do it with everything you've got, and tomorrow, do it again. When you commit to your goals, truly commit, something incredible happens. The universe starts to align. Opportunities appear. Resources you never knew existed come into your life. But it all starts with a decision. A decision to stop accepting less and start demanding more. Say this with me. I can, because I'm capable. I will, because I'm determined. I must, because I owe it to myself and those counting on me. 2025 is your year, your moment, your chance to prove to yourself and the world that you're more than your circumstances, more than your doubts, and more than the limits anyone tries to place on you. You have everything you need to succeed. The only question is, are you ready to fight for it? No one's coming to hand you success. You have to go out there and take it. But I promise you, the moment you raise your standards and give it your all, you'll look back and realize it was worth every single step. So let's make 2025 the year you become unstoppable. The year you raise your standards, transform your life, and create a future you're proud of. You've got this. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of. For more motivational videos, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notification. Keep learning, keep growing, and start living a top life.